One of my subscribers messaged me asking me about cheap recipes, and I thought I'd show you how I make a cheap version of ramen using leafy greens, sort of pork belly roll things that you can get from the Asian grocers, and noodles and sriracha, of course, because we need that kick in our life. So yeah, this is my little quick easy recipe. I mean, you can use noodles as a base for a lot. Another quick and easy meal is things like nachos, where you can get some salsa, some cheese, and some corn chips. So that's pretty easy to make as well. I recently also started getting a shopping delivery thing where they get all of the food from different places and they deliver it to your house, and then they'll take away the box. So that's pretty cool. So I figured that was good to share as well. I mean, I'm not sponsored, but I think it's pretty cool that there are places out there that are giving you discounts because the food is, quote, ugly, unquote. It doesn't meet supermarket standards, so I think that's pretty cool if you ask me. It just means a whole lot of less wastage. So I believe they said that 30% of food gets wasted because it just doesn't fit the aesthetic standard. But yeah, I have started doing that too for only $57, so that's pretty cool. That saves me, and as you saw, the box had heaps of stuff, but the only thing is, like, a lot of stuff can be marked. So if you're like scared of that stuff, then maybe it's not for you. But yeah,